Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Talkie app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on this sign down here and you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to switch image during voice call, click in this sign. So like you see this color show for us. That means switch image during voice call enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.